Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? How that day? Hope you guys are doing fine. As for mommy, great. I'm fine. So my people, if today is the first day where you're see my channel, welcome. Okay, thanks for joining us. For today now Wednesday morning. So I get appointment today. Okay, I want to go renew tickets so I take the enter bus. So I want to go renew. So after I finish from there, then I will finish from there. Then I'll come go my children's school, go pick them up. So before I forget, so my kids now, my children they go school now with bus. Yeah, they go school now with bus. So in the morning, now for me to your bath them, you know, ready there for school, carry them come out, stand for outside gates, then they'll pick them up, carry them go school. Then after they don't close, the bus will go school, pick them up, carry them come house. Now for me to wait for them for downstairs, then I will carry them. But they start the bus, they start to enter this week, which is on Monday. Now they start to enter. But this week we go, they follow them, they go, they follow them, they come with bus. Because maybe for they used to run, you know, so maybe for not they cry. So after this week, now from next week, they go on their own. They come back on their own. So if I hear that day, it's not only my children, there are other children too. So I prefer down where I go just, you know, they take bus, take them, go carry them, bring them back, carry them, go. You know. I prefer. So it's now I did bus stop, I did wait for bus. Where you carry me now, go where I want for do my ticket. Where they take the entire bus. So now what you go to happen today? Relax, sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't go anywhere, okay? Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Hi, baby. Rejoice. Say hi. No? Greet our subscriber, Rejoice. Rejoice not mind me. Now you they do. I don't know, I just they sweat this morning. Thank God the weather is okay today. The weather is very, very fine. So we dey wait for bus now. We are waiting for bus. So we dey bus stop. So guys, I don't reach here, but so many people are here. So I dey line, no. I don't stand for line. Though I take appointments, people will get appointment at the first call. Okay. Hey, Rejoice. So guys, we are here. I just they feed their phone finish now. I don't feed the phone, so I'm waiting for them to call me. So I'm waiting for them to call me. They said I should wait. So we are here. Look at Rejoice. Really? Rejoicing without mouth don't play tire since. Come here. Rejoice. Say hi, baby. Rejoice don't cry tire. I don't see kata for you know. Don't cry tire. This girl. I tell you, if we come out, he go they make trouble. I dey sweat. Oh, now put my clothes. Now put my jacket. I'm sweating like God. Though the weather today just dey okay. It's not too hot. The weather just dey okay today. That made me dey sweat. I just pray that we are some new. In 2 hours time, now my children will close. Sit down, sit. Sit. Oh, yeah, greet our subscriber. Oh, yeah, come and clean your nose. Let me clean your nose. So guys, we just the reach us now. Never to tell who come just now. Never to tell who reach us. So we don't eat finish, okay? So I want you quick cook beans. Don't tell why I eat beans. So guys, for the ticket I go do, guys, I take there before I reach my turn. I really take there. I spend over 1 hour. Now hurry, I'm going to hurry before my children go close for school. I saw Italo job be in Italians. I saw the job be. After they just keep person they wait, you know. You know what we call person. Their appointment and they dey very, very the way that they behave at times, I know just know. Rejoice, cry. I beg. If you get appointment with them, they know go answer person. You take number, they will tell you say sit down, they will call you. They will forget say person need to do other things. Anyway, I still later done sharp. They never took their own wishes. So my kids, all of us, we are home now. So I want you to cook beans, okay? My show now. So they peel the beans. Now yesterday I buy them. I'm loving it. I like them. Right, Joyce, what is it? We are come and greet our subscribers. Yeah, say hi. Say hi, subscribers. I'm just dancing. I don't even know this music. This music, like it just moved me. Hey, okay, who can we you for? Hey, hey. Greta. Who you son around and go Who you son around and go Who you son around and go Molly, you guys are women. Who you son Molly, you guys are women. Who you son Molly, you guys are women. Who you son Who you son Who you son Hey. Èrè ọ̀rọ̀ ayé rẹ̀ ní Jésù. Èrè ọ̀rọ̀ ayé rẹ̀ ní Jésù. Èrè ọ̀rọ̀ ayé rẹ̀ ní Jésù. So guys, unbox with me. We are just coming from the market now. So I say my show now. Wait till I buy. I say my show now. Wait till I buy you. Come on, so guys, I just come from market. I see my show now. Wait till I buy. So now orange and apple. Orange and apple. Did you see apple? So that crayfish menu. Grounded rice. Don't say we'll eat grounded rice with this as grounded rice. This one is stash. Stash with black soup. Oh God. Don't say why I eat and which one is stash. So now grounded rice. This is grounded rice. And then my newly pot. So big, guys. The banana. Okay, let me put it and tangerine, a big tangerine. Okay, I'm gonna do this one here. This now orange, the remaining orange. This now orange. Okay, this one are the grounded rice and the, let me put it down so that I'll show my pot when I buy. Okay. So guys, I don't buy another new big pot, guys. If you guys know now, see I say of recent I did buy pots, yeah. Most of all these my old pots. So I'm also they buy and so make I for throw away that they don't try. They don't try. So I might buy this one. It's so cute, man. Okay. Then this one meat, turkey. I still get chicken, I still get a beef for house, cow leg, all those ones still did. So now you see my buy turkey. This one turkey. This one Bongo. Is it bongo they call this meat? They call this meat sef.
The neck.
The neck, This is the neck side. Very sweet. Oh my god, we gonna cook stew. Then this is my chicken. Chicken.
Wow.
This one is the cow stripe. You know cow stripe. Ishaki, your body. Yeah. So guys, now what I buy be that. I just make my quick show now, so I'll see you now later. Washing my meat.